Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert Excel to PDF in laptop window 10. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So this data I'm going to convert to PDF. Just click on the file tab and click on the print option and here you can see the print preview. Okay. So this data I'm going to convert to PDF. So for PDF, in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and select the Microsoft Print to PDF. It means this data you can convert to PDF. Just select it and after that, just click on the print and that's it. Here you can see the one dialog box is open, the save print output as. So select the destination in your laptop and window 10. So I select here the destination, the desktop, and just enter the name of the file. So I enter the name of this file, purchase data. Then click on the save, and that's it. Your Excel data is converted to PDF in laptop window 10. So here you can see the PDF is saved. I just saved this PDF. Just double click on it and open it here in PDF. You can see the data it convert to PDF. Okay. If you want to print here, just click on this print icon and your print dialog box is open. You can easily print here your PDF copy after this convert to PDF also. Okay. If you want to search Excel file in Windows 8, just click on the search icon and enter here the Excel. And here the Excel file you can just open. Just click on the open option and you can open. If you want to setting some on the printer, so just enter the printer and here you can see printer and scanner option is open. Just click on the open and you can setting this printer and scanner. Okay, if you want to add any printer, okay, connecting the wireless printer easily, add printing scanner in Windows. So these are the option, any printing changes you can. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.